Welcome to EVC Library. Today we're going to do some research for your upcoming paper. My name is Judith Girardi and I'm one of the librarians here at evc.edu. Let's talk about your assignment first of all. You have a 6+ page paper, has to be a research paper, and it's about the American dream, specifically the obstacles and challenges that you might face on your quest to achieve that American dream. So what are some of the beginning questions? One is, what is your American dream? You have to define it first. Also, is it attainable? Are there obstacles? Maybe after that you can think about how have others been successful? How has it happened that despite these obstacles, people were able to make it happen? Your thesis is along the idea that you will be able to achieve your version of the American dream despite the roadblocks. That's what your main idea is. You're not going to just only focus on the obstacles, but also how to get over them. So let's start at the top. What is your American dream? Okay. Perhaps your American dream is to start your own business or become a citizen. Maybe you want to become wealthy, strike it rich, own your own home. Maybe you want to get a college education or become a doctor. What is it that your American dream is? Okay. Some key words or ideas to consider. What are you going to search for when you're looking for information? What is it that you actually want to put in when you're looking for information? What are you going to put into a little box for any of the databases? For me personally, when I do these searches to show you, I'm going to put in American dream. Okay, just as a concept to see what comes up. But you could also put in wealth in America or home ownership. You could put in your specific American dream if you decided to, you wanted to do that. Once you think about that, what your American dream is and what words you want to use, think about the obstacles. What are some of the obstacles to getting the American dream? Well, I think most people think about inequality. That could mean anything from racism to the economic gap, poverty versus wealth. So think about some of those, and you can always combine them. Like you could put American dream and poverty or American dream and inequality and see what comes up. A lot of the idea behind searching databases at the library is to see what comes up so that you can shape your paper by the information you find. Okay, I'm going to list the best databases we have for this particular assignment. We have over 30 databases, and I'm listing just the top ones for you to use. I'll show you how to get into them in just a moment. Probably one of the best ones is called Opposing Viewpoints, and we'll talk about that, and I'll show you how to get into that. Another one is an ebook database called eBook Central. It comes from a company called ProQuest. Gale eBooks is also good. Instead of giving you full books, that gives you small chapters of books, so it's a little bit smaller. Issues and Controversies and Academic Search Complete are two other great databases for this particular assignment. So you're going to want to take a screenshot of that or just be able to go back in the video to get the names of these databases. Okay, so we'll talk about going into library databases. I'm going to bring you right in and show you how to get there and how to achieve the best ones. First thing you need to do is go to the evc.edu website. That's the Evergreen Valley College website. When you do, over in the corner you'll see a magnifying glass. That will open up a bar on the side that says Support and Resources, and under that you'll see the Library tab. So you're going to go to evc.edu/library or get to the Library tab. When you scroll down on that page, the library page, you'll see a big box. It's a big search box. That's good sometimes. However, today we're going to talk about specific databases, so I'd like you to go where it says Online Articles, and you can see the icon. When you do, it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. It says A to C Databases, and it has a list of all of our databases. Instead of taking you directly in, if you're on campus, you'll go directly to the databases. If not, if you're coming from home, you're going to have to put in your single sign-on. So just so you know, if you are doing this from home, this prompt will come up and there you put your username and your password, the same as you do for Canvas, just to make sure you can get in. Okay, let's start searching. Okay, so here I am at the library database page, and I'm going to go to the very first one I showed you, which is called Opposing Viewpoints. If you look at the database list across the top, you'll see the alphabet. I'm going to go to O for Opposing Viewpoints, and here it is. When I click into this database or this list of sources, I can do my search at the top, and I'll type in American Dream, and let's see what comes up. First thing it has is a nice overview, almost like an encyclopedia, just a brief entry in there that talks a little bit about what the American Dream is. It refers to a common aspiration for American people and talks about the main ideas, what are the origin of the American Dream, associations with home ownership, etc. So if you find an article you like this one, maybe this is just the one you want, you can always use the tools at the top. Every database has tools. Sometimes they're across the top, sometimes they're on the side, depends on the database. Anyway, you can send any articles you'd like to yourself, save them to your Google Drive or email them. You can download or print them. You can also cite them. You're probably going to be having to use MLA. So here you can grab the MLA citation, copy and paste it, and put it directly into your Works Cited page if you have that up, or some kind of a document up for that. Okay, so after you get an overview, if you go down a little further in this database, it has a lot of different journals. Look, there's 16 journal articles, viewpoint articles. All of these will list you over 200 magazine articles on this topic. So if I go to viewpoints, it gives me different ideas or points of view. Here's a good example. Income equality has eroded the American dream. Okay, so that's a viewpoint. Let's see if I click on that. It comes up with the entire article and tells us all about it, the growing worry about inequality. That's obviously one of the obstacles. I like this, so I'm going to send it to myself so I have it in my inbox. Okay, and then I'm going to cite it, and I'm going to put it in a Word document so I have my Works Cited going as well. Okay. I'll show you one more database, and then you can go and explore the rest. So in our A to Z databases, another one that I mentioned, let me hit all the databases here, was eBook Central. So I'm going to go to E for eBook Central, and I'll click in there. I'm going to put in my topic again, American Dream. And here it has a list of a whole bunch of books all about the American Dream. A New Class Society, Goodbye American Dream, Dream Chasers. Here's one, a handbook on the American Dream. When you find one of these, it brings you the entire book up. Here's the table of contents. Migration and Immigrant American Dream, Marginalized Americans and the American Dream. So you can open up the book to read it online. And here it is. You can just go all the way down. There it is. Read all the pages you'd like. Now for this particular database, if you just want a specific section, let's say I only wanted immigration, I can do a search in this book and it's going to highlight it for me. So if you see this part 1 has a lot on that, and it'll bring you exactly to the pages you want. So if I go here, and it's even going to highlight where it is, it's going to talk all about that topic that you'd like. So it searches the book for you, so you don't always have to. Note that the tools are across the top, just like in the last database. You have download, you can copy, you can cite it, once again for MLA if you would like, make notes, etc. So this is another one of our really great databases. Okay. All right, I've brought us back to our original presentation because I'd like you to have a chance to take one last look at the name of all of the best databases for this assignment on the American Dream. Opposing Viewpoints and eBook Central, I just showed you some examples from there. There's also one called Gale eBooks under G, Issues and Controversies under I, and Academic Search Complete. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, you can always go to librarian@evc.edu or connect with us on the chat box on the library webpage. Thanks for coming.